Welcome to our ultimate guide on using IPTV with Roku, the top streaming platform for those who crave variety. First, let's talk about the best IPTV provider available today, 2TV. With customer service like that provided by Nancy, mentioned in the description, 2TV guarantees to enhance your viewing experience. Now, how do you get this amazing IPTV on your Roku? Let's dive into a step-by-step process. First, ensure that your Roku device is connected to the internet and updated to the latest software version to avoid any compatibility issues. Next, head over to the Roku channel store and search for the application needed to integrate with IPTV streaming. Identify the right software suitable for your content needs. Once you've downloaded the necessary app, configure the settings as directed by the IPTV provider to sync your channels. This setup makes your streaming effortless and personalized. In conclusion, turning your Roku into an IPTV powerhouse is straightforward and enhances your entertainment options. Make sure to contact 2TV for more personalized help directly through the link provided.